दिन की कहानी लेकर आए हैं जो इस शहर के लिए सबसे खास है। इट्स गणपति विसर्जन डे इन मुंबई, अ डे ऑफ इमोशन, डिवोशन एंड सेलिब्रेशन। I am Anmol, your host, and today you're coming along with me on a journey through Mumbai's vibrant streets. We're about to dive into the beating heart of the city on one of its most energetic and emotional days. But first, let's head to one of Mumbai's renowned Ganpati Mandal, जहाँ बप्पा को विदा करने की तैयारी चलती है. Let's go and see how the city bids goodbye to its beloved Bappa on this incredible day. It's not just the richness of the idol, but the depth of devotion that makes GSP गणपति मंडल stand out. ये एक ऐसा मंडल है जो गणपति बप्पा के विसर्जन को एक बहुत ही डिवाइन और पीसफुल तरीके से मनाता है, और आज हम इसी जर्नी का हिस्सा बनेंगे. We will experience the perfect blend of spirituality, community and tradition.
I had the privilege of meeting Mr. Amit Pai, the humble Adhyaksh of GSB Seva Mandal. I got a chance to learn so much about this historic mandal. 1951 में स्थापित ये मंडल मुंबई के GSB कम्युनिटी के मिल वर्कर्स ने फ्यूनरल एड सर्विसेज के लिए शुरू किया था. But in 1954, under the guidance of their leader, Mr. Madhav Krishna Puranik, पहली बार यहाँ गणेश उत्सव का आयोजन किया गया. And since then, it has become one of Mumbai's most iconic mandal. Every year, from early morning at 7 a.m., the mandal becomes the hub of devotion, with various pujas, aartis and havans being performed throughout the day. What makes this mandal truly stand out though, is their commitment to eco-friendly practices. Even the Ganpati idol is crafted entirely from pure clay. Their service to the community is equally heartwarming. एक massive kitchen हर रोज 20 से 30 हजार भक्तों को प्रसाद परोसता है. Can you imagine?
We have around 36 to 39 departments over here, and if you see all the volunteers, we have around 3,500 to 4,000 volunteers who work over here for the 5-day. So the event that you see over here is not only managed by one person as such. We have a board of trustees who look after it, and along with that, there's a whole team of volunteers who really make this possible.
And how many people are working together as a team to prepare food for everybody?
So we have a team that is which prepares food separately. So behind me you will feel chef. So he is our head chef who is there, who prepares all the food and all. So he'll have his own team of nearly I think 75 people or something who prepare the food. And other than that, we have the volunteers. We are around 600 volunteers who really help in serving the people who are there. So and here we have at one point in one this Pankti we have 1,800 people who sit for food, and that's how we keep on churning it very fast. So on an average 20 to 30,000 people per day.
Roughly how much time does it take to prepare a meal?
So the food preparation starts from 1 day prior. So what happens is for tomorrow, they'll be starting cutting all the vegetables and all today. And once, like in the evening, once the food is, there is a lesser amount of crowd, you will see all the people sitting over here, the ladies, gents, everybody sit together for cutting food and all. And after that, we come across, from morning 5 o'clock, they start preparing food for the people who come. So because by 11:30, they should be ready with the food.
Is there a staple that we have that this has to be in the prasad?
Nothing of that sort, but we have like we'll have the pickles, we'll have rice, dal, sambar, we'll have like 2 sabjis and 1 sweet, and sometimes we have laddus and all being distributed. So those are those things that we keep on adding based on whoever has asked for. Like there are some people who ask for laddu on my behalf, so that goes across and all. But the staple food would be remain the same there.
What keeps you going? What keeps you connected to this mandal? What is so special about it?
See, that's a very question which I would rather ask you. If you have come for the first time, you've seen the Lord, and next time, would you like to come across or not, right? You feel that urge to come in.
I'm working since childhood. I used to give pan starting में. Later I started with the vegetables what they serve over there, and later I come on to the rice. We were the first girls to serve the rice. ये पहले पूरा बॉल्स का डिपार्टमेंट था because the cutters are so heavy. If you can check, if you can test, the cutters are so heavy that girls cannot pick up. हमने उनको कॉन्फिडेंस दिया कि गर्ल्स कर सकते हैं. My and my one friend प्रतीक्षा भट्ट. My name is Priya Kamath by the way. So प्रतीक्षा भट्ट, हम दोनों ने स्टार्ट किया था ये हैवी कटर्स उठा के. हमें देख के और लड़कियां प्रोत्साहित हुई और हमें वो यहाँ पे आके हमारे साथ राइस वाढ़ना चालू किया. दैट्स हाउ द गर्ल्स क्वांटिटी इज मोर देन बॉयज क्वांटिटी राइट नाउ.
That's amazing. And how heavy is this?
I cannot tell you exact kg, but it's very कितनी
Can you
kg?
try and lift this up, you and me?
50 kg. Yeah, we can try. Definitely we
try?
can.
I'll
Yeah,
tell you what
all the very best to you. We can definitely try.
But you will help me.
Yeah, definitely. एक मिनट राधिका. नहीं ये like it's 15-20 kilometers. I mean kgs.
Very heavy.
Yeah.
Can I help you take it outside?
Sure, चलो. Water. So like this always happens. Yeah. So we have to carry this starting from 1 to 24, and we have lines other that side also from 25 to 34. That side also sitting arrangement is been there. So we have to carry this all over there. Like it is all 6 hours process. We do come and go.
आपका नाम क्या है और हम ये किस जगह पे है?
मेरा नाम रामनाथ किणी है. ये डिपार्टमेंट में जहाँ आप आए हो, ये फ्रूट स्टोर बोलते हैं. ये प्रसाद डिपार्टमेंट है. जो भाविकों को प्रसाद जाता है, चढ़ता है, वो यहीं से बन के जाता है. जहाँ जैसे फैक्ट्री होती है वैसा ये सेवा देने का प्रसाद का फैक्ट्री है. हम सुबह 6 बजे से रात को 11 बजे तक हमारा काम चलता है. एक प्रसाद में हमारा एक खोवा होता है, अप्पे होते हैं, एक नारियल के 2 साइड होते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट होते हैं, 4 तरह के फ्रूट्स होते हैं, और ऐसा परिपक्व थैली हम यहाँ से स्टेज पे बप्पा के पास भेजते हैं. वहाँ हमारे गुरुजी बैठे रहते हैं. जिन लोगों ने पूजा किया है, 500 रुपये का किया है उसको भी वही, 1000 का किया उसको भी वही, सब इक्वल. 5 लाख का किया तो भी ये किए, मांगेगा तो 2-3 देते. बाकी यहाँ सब लोग जितना 1 लाख लोग रोज आते हैं. यहाँ 20 से 22 हज़ार ये बनता है. बहुत कष्ट का काम है. यहाँ नारियल का गोनी उठाना है और अपना क्रेट उठाना है. ये सब मेहनत करते बच्चे लोग, सब IT इंजीनियर, बैंक का मैनेजर, हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर्स, बैंक के DGM, AGM, सब नौकरी छुट्टी लेके यहाँ आते हैं, सेवा है। ये हमारे सीनियर कलीग शिवानंद शर्मा है, जीएसबी ट्रस्ट मेडिकल ट्रस्ट के ये चीफ है।
अच्छा।
अब देखो ये काम कर रहे हैं, ये भी बेचारा फैक्ट्री से उल्लासनगर रहता है, ये कैसा आता है 3 बजे उठ के आता है यहाँ। तो ऐसे लोग हैं यहाँ, जैसे जैसे वक्त मिलता है यहाँ आते हैं और एक फैमिली होता है यहाँ, तो बहुत मजा आता है मानने को।
विश्वास, फेथ, व्हाट इज लाइफ विदाउट इट? हम सभी के अपने अपने फेथ्स होते हैं। हियर एट जीएसबी सेवा मंडल दे हैव अ स्पेशल फेथ। यहाँ माना जाता है कि जो डिवोटीज के खाने के बाद बच जाता है वो वेस्ट नहीं, दैट्स अ ब्लेसिंग विच गॉड्स बिलवड डिवोटीज लीव बिहाइंड। बिफोर दिस रिचुअल the men take a cold bath to purify their bodies and souls. The men then roll over the leftover prasad in banana leaves. ये रिचुअल भी यहाँ की सेवा का एक अहम हिस्सा है। This certainly shows their love and devotion to Ganpati Bappa. And witnessing this ritual deepens my respect for this community, strengthens my faith in humanity and really humbles me. मड़ स्थान जैसी यहाँ और भी कई तरीके की सेवाएं इन 5 दिनों में देखने को मिलती हैं। हर छोटी बड़ी ज़रूरत का ख्याल रखा जाता है और इन सब चीज़ों को इतने अच्छे तरीके से संभालने का क्रेडिट जाता है यहाँ के वॉलंटियर्स को। और ख़ास बात ये है कि ये सेवा का काम आगे ले जा रहे हैं आज के युवा। लेट्स मीट GSB's youth who are equally responsible for this organization.
I make out time every time. Like every year, I come here 5 days just for one reason, that I feel Papa here listens to us, listens to our every wishes, and he grants us everything what he want. There are my most reasons are my friends. I have a very good connection over here, and the vibe is real here. I feel that positivity here. And secondly, my parents have been here for almost 20 years now, and somewhere it is very deep rooted in our culture that the pratha which goes on here, the culture we follow, I really like it, and I would like to continue as it is for my future as well as my kids going forward.
So have you guys taken an off from your office or your work? All of you?
Yes.
I was not to take off, but today morning I said to my boss, I want to take an off, I want to go there, please allow me, and I took an off.
Are you guys sad today because
Very
of
much.
the surgery?
Very much.
Exactly. Yes. You might see us very happy right now.
I
but
have
it's,
goosebumps
it's,
looking at you guys.
Exactly during the Visarjan itself, we almost cried, like everyone, because this is something which.
There are tears. You see tears in most people's eyes.
This is almost like we prepare for this time every like 2 months ahead, that we'll buy something, we'll get something for our friends, and we call each other like what we should be doing in those 5 days. And yeah, today is a bit sad, but yeah, we'll make sure that the next year is very enjoyable more.
Finally, the moment of goodbye is here. हमारे प्यारे से मेहमान, हमारे बप्पा के जाने का वक्त आ गया। विसर्जन इज अबाउट गुड बाइज। भगवान कुछ दिनों के लिए अपने भक्तों से मिलने आते हैं जिन्हें वो सबसे ज़्यादा चाहते हैं। गुड बाइज आर हार्ड, ओवरवेलमिंग एंड इमोशनल, बट देयर इज अ फुटनोट इन गुड बाइज। इट्स अ प्रॉमिस टू मीट अगेन। और हम इसी के नारे लगाते हैं, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या। And what do we do when we say goodbyes to our loved ones? We smile, ताकि वो हमें ऐसे ही याद रखें, हंसते मुस्कुराते। And this is where the celebration begins. isn't over yet. As we bid farewell to this magnificent idol at GSB Mandal, the spirit of Mumbai continues to pulse through every street. Now let's head to Girgaon Chowpatty, where we'll experience the vibrant, chaotic and very emotional Visarjans of other Ganpati Mandals, where each Visarjan will have its own story.
It's magnificent. I have no words to express what I'm feeling right now. The streets of Mumbai are packed. Every inch has people united by love, emotion and celebration.
Hey Gajanana, haath thamna, hey Gajanana, sun le kamana, hey Gajanana, haath thamna, hey Gajanana, hey sun le kamana.
Look around. सबके चेहरे पर एक अलग ही कहानी है. Some are laughing, some are dancing, some have tears in their eyes, holding on to the last few moments with Bappa. आज उत्साह का आखिरी दिन है और सभी के दिलों में एक सा तूफान दौड़ रहा है. Today is the day of farewells, but also the day of promises. पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. Come back soon next year, Bappa.
लंबोदर पीतांबर रिद्धि सिद्धि दाता विघ्न विनायक मोरया गौरी सुत प्रथमेश्वर पिता महेश्वर हे गणनायक मोरया लंबोदर पीतांबर रिद्धि सिद्धि दाता विघ्न विनायक मोरया.
As I stand here with thousands of Mumbaikars alongside Ganpati Bappa, we make our way to Girgaon Chowpatty. This is the moment, the grand Visarjan, where Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, takes away all the worries, all the burdens of his devotees, leaving behind only hope and blessings. ये वो त्योहार है जो मुंबई के स्पिरिट को एक साथ ले आता है. हर इंसान, हर दिल एक साथ धड़क रहा है, वाइबिंग टू द सेम एनर्जी.
मोरया मोरया बाप्पा मोरया 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 बाप्पा मोरया 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 बाप्पा मोरया मोरया मोरया.
I look around and see thousands of people, their eyes glued to Bappa, trying to soak in every last glimpse, imprinting his image in their hearts until next year. Everyone has a full heart, smiling through tears, knowing he will return. और ये जो विश्वास है, that deep belief in Bappa, अगर आप सच्चा मन लेकर बप्पा को देखो ना, तो आपको महसूस होगा कि बप्पा आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, क्वाइटली अश्योरिंग यू, मैं फिर से आऊंगा.
तुम्हारे दिलों की बेताबी हूँ, तुम्हारे आंखों का अक्ष हूँ, तुम्हारे गली कुच्चों की रौनक, लंबोदर एक दंत सिद्धि विनायक हूँ. अब विदा लेने का वक्त है. मेरी भी माँ है, उनके पास, पिता शंभुनाथ के पास. बहने दो खुद को, ये प्रतिस्पर्धा नहीं. निकाल दो आंसू, फूटने दो दिल. 11 दिन हर्ष के, 11 दिन उल्लास के, 11 दिन एकता के, 11 दिन भावनाओं के. इन 11 दिनों का इंतजार साल भर सताता मुझे. काश उस समंदर किनारे विदाई के पलों में कुछ वक्त और मिलता। पर अंत नहीं तो शुरुआत नहीं, यही हमें समय सिखाता। बस ऐसे ही रहना, मुस्कुराते रहना, सबसे प्यार करना, मदद करना, तरक्की करना, सेवा करना और मुझे याद करना। मैं हमेशा हूं तुम्हारे साथ, तुम्हारे दिलों की बेताबी हूं, तुम्हारे आंखों का अक्ष हूं।
This is the essence of Mumbai, where traditions run deep and faith has no bounds. आज का दिन सिर्फ हमारे राजा की विदाई का नहीं, बल्कि हमारी परंपरा, हमारी आस्था, हमारी खुशी, बल्कि हमारी मुंबई का उत्सव है। Stay tuned as we continue to explore the heart and soul of Mumbai's most vibrant traditions in our upcoming episodes. Until then, Ganpati Bappa Moria!